Pepe coin holders? I got an update for you guys. I wanted to give you my opinion on, is altcoin season here? Are we getting ready to see Pepe make a larger move to the upside? Let's talk about it today. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, I want to start off here at the Pepe chart. I want to say what is screaming at me right now while I look at this chart is it looks like we are starting to bottom out here. It looks like on market cipher, the momentum wave is coming down. I like to see that. We're seeing some curvature here playing out. It looks pretty bullish. I like to see that. Bullish for price structure on the daily time frame. Let's be specific about that. But I do want to say, if you look at this, you see that the money flow is coming down. It's still green, but it is coming down a little bit. I think that, guys, let's be real here. I still believe that Q3 2025 will be bullish for Bitcoin dominance. I think that Bitcoin dominance broke down, but I don't think that we're seeing the true altcoin season begin until Q4 2025. And what am I doing? I've been high leverage scalping. I've been sniffing out long positions. And in my opinion, I do think that this level here at about 4.012 is a very important level. And if you start to bottom out here, maybe we tap this once more. But I would really like to see this start to kind of curve out like this. And if you start to see that curvature, then I will look for some potential opportunities around this level of 4.012 to enter some longs. Now, it's not financial advice. I just put my money where my mouth is, guys. I'm telling you guys what I'm doing and what I'm looking for. If you guys do want to trade with me, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect. We have a 10% trade rebate and $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin. Feel free to check them out, guys. It helps support this channel. If you want to do that, in the pinned comment section or the description box below, appreciate it. But looking at the overall market, Bitcoin's at $118,000. Bitcoin dominance is at 60.29, all right? We came down to low 59, including stablecoins. When you're excluding stablecoins, we're trading basically at 62.5%, give or take a half a percentile, okay? I have been saying for a while now, when we came down to 59%, I said, guys, this is good. This is bullish for Pepe. This is bullish for altcoins. I still believe, though, that right now is just the time to look for these entries for altcoins. And I do think that Bitcoin dominance is going to rally throughout the rest of Q3. And into Q4 is when we should be expecting that huge washout to the downside on Bitcoin dominance, sending alts higher. But guys, I will say, look at Ethereum. It's slowly climbing back up to $4,000. We traded at $3,800 today. Very bullish, okay? Seeing some alts. Solana was over $205. We're back beneath out $200 at $188. I am patiently waiting here, guys, because I do think that Q3 will be good opportunities to layer in. And I am going to be expecting Q4 to be profit-taking time where we see these alts make big gains. And guys, I do believe that Pepe will be one of those. You look at the past 7 days, we're down about 6%, kind of opening up some significant opportunity, in my opinion. Coming down to this level, we're still range-bound here, probably looking for a good, quick scalp here, a move to the top of this channel. And the question is, do we break above on the top of this channel? Because, guys, volume is getting pinched. When you zoom out here, you look at what's going on here. I want to show you the weekly time frame because that shows a little bit of a better idea of what I'm talking about. Like if you see this big and it's getting smaller and smaller and now we're starting to slowly curve up. I would like to see this continue to the upside, but I do think that there's a higher likelihood that we kind of just chop sideways for a little bit, maybe see a little tiny wave like this, come down, and then finally see our large impulse wave to the upside, making new all-time highs on Pepe. That is what I'm looking for this trade setup, and I think that that's probably what plays out, especially if Bitcoin continues to trade the way that it's trading, which, guys, it is bullish posturing. And you look at market cipher on the weekly time frame, we're slowly starting to clip above the 60 line, which is this white line right here. And when you see the blue momentum wave come above the 60 line on weekly candle closures, that is bull market territory, and you should be expecting continuation of the upside. That's what I like to view it as, like multi-week continuation of the upside. And if you look at higher term times as well on the monthly looks very bullish. You have a green dot over the 60 line as well. The money flow is thick in the green. It's what you want to see altcoins perform. And guys, I do think that, yes, there could be volatility in Q3. But that being said, I expect Bitcoin dominance to continue to grind up to the upside. There's going to be altcoins that are lagging that you're going to want to look out for. I think that XRP is lagging a little bit here. We haven't made new highs, but we are postured to make that move to the upside. So I am paying very close attention to this, guys. If you like this content, you like these quick updates, hit that like button, subscribe us right now. Are you guys bullish on Pepe? Do you think that altcoin season is here? Do we have to wait till Q4? Or is the top in? I don't really think that the top is in. I've seen some people talking about that, but I want to know what you guys have to say about that, guys. I'm bullish on Pepe. I think it's the chosen meme. If you want to help support this channel, check out those awesome affiliate links down below in the description box or pin comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.